Yo, day 12, talking about Qtum today. I don't know if you know about Qtum. Quickly on Bitcoin Talk. Um, blah, blah, blah. It's an open source proof of stake blockchain application platform. Essentially, it runs on Bitcoin's blockchain. It's like an Ethereum for Singapore. It's like a Singaporean Ethereum. It's definitely a smart contract platform, and it's used for dApps on the platform. Market cap of about 1.6 billion. Currently, a total supply of 100 million. Currently 88, so pretty close to it. We're traded on pretty much every major exchange you can think of, and 18th in coinmarketcap. The recent top was near $70 at about a $5 billion market cap. Currently, we're about 3x away from that. Now I'm going to talk about the dApps real fast. So first, some really good dApps on this. Ones that are notable is Mediblock, Space Chain, PunDX, and Vanyware. I definitely recommend you guys look into Vanyware. It's a really cool app. And then as far as the chart goes, I see a little cup and handle here. Curve to here. Definitely a cup and handle forming. The little cup right here. This line. And then we're gonna get a little handle here. A little down move. And then I'm expecting some sort of move like this to test these levels again. Maybe a nice size move. Qtum. No one really talks about this coin. It's really interesting though. It's proof of stake. Team is from Singapore. Really solid team backed by Tim Draper, Jeff Garzik, a few other notable names. That's one of the chart or the website as a team. I'll show you guys the roadmap. So it aims to be the bridge between Bitcoin and Ethereum communities. So essentially, it uses Bitcoin's blockchain, but Ethereum's smart contract capabilities. It uses here we go. It uses the Ethereum Virtual Machine into Bitcoin's unspent transaction model, so that way that it allows these smart contracts to be executed on a Bitcoin-based unspent transaction output blockchain. So essentially, an unspent transaction output is it's just how it sounds. It's an output that has yet to be spent, and it can be used as an input on a further transaction. And here's the team. I actually saw this guy speak in DC. Lead dev, I think. They have a pretty big team, but their backers are interesting. Of course, Roger Ver, big name. He gets a lot of hate, but still a big name, an investor. Matthew Rozak, another big name. And so that's Qtum, and then the chart I think looks good. If we're gonna throw some fibs on this, we may as well. So interestingly, fibs work fairly like a fair amount. So as you can see, we dipped right on this fib, bounced up to this fib, then we dumped all the way to this fib, then we moved to this fib. We dumped all the way down to this one, and then we bounced right up to this top one. Kind of seems like we're just sitting here on this middle one as well. Still, I would not expect the price to go any lower than this level right here. This 205,000 sats. I expect a bounce here and then a move, a little bit of resistance here and here, and then a full move out to this level. So I would say that this area will be my target for Qtum in the coming weeks. Up here, and then once we get here, we'll probably try to test the all-time high. If we break it out, we break it out. If we don't, be some more down move. But I'm bullish as heck on Space Chain long term. Not Space Chain, I mean Qtum, and that's Qtum.